Give us a line then on where you see private and public market valuations heading, and how does this market rout change the narrative for early stage startups that you're looking to back?
It's certainly one of those periods where for a long time, I think valuations and value creations have not been in tandem in the technology sector. And I think what you see happening in the market is really the valuations are coming a little bit more in line with value creation. I think whether it's our investors or VCs like ourselves, everybody has still continued strong belief that technology as a sector continues to have a lot of potential for transformation of old industries, for creating new opportunities. But certainly one will have to start thinking about a little bit more constrained environment over the next few years and adjust their investment strategies, adjust their operating guidelines accordingly. As far as sort of startups go, I think our guidance to all our companies have been that we believe strongly in the demand potential of Southeast Asia and India, but certainly on the supply side, it's better to be more measured over the near term.
Interesting. Amit, that's being tested at the moment, isn't it? This battle for the heart of Southeast Asia's e-commerce market between the likes of Grab, Sea and GoTo. What does that tell you about the ecosystem currently, and what are the implications then for your portfolio companies who are playing in that space?
I think Southeast Asia e-commerce is still at a very, very nascent stage. We're talking about single-digit digital penetration as compared to the overall commerce penetration. So I think we are still in the opening act of this movie. And by no means, I think the success or failure of one venture is going to determine the outcome of the overall industry. The secular trends are obvious. The young demographics here are 100%, 120% online. And COVID has only pushed more and more consumers, more and more enterprises to do things over the internet. So we believe very strongly that this trend is going to continue, and there are going to be more business models, more companies that are going to be formed. If you just take social commerce as an example, which is not, we've not even scratched the surface of that. We think social commerce has a potential to be much larger than even traditional horizontal e-commerce, such as some of the names you've shared. This region has been a very, very fragmented and a diverse geography. And if you're looking to get the power of internet to every nook and corner of this region, partnering with those local influencers, those local agents, and bringing technology to them is the way to go. So I think we're still, we are still going to see a lot more innovation and a lot more success in e-commerce.